first of all we have to cook half cook with daliya, the little warm with the one pressure of the city. So just like mix this, and yes, so this is daliya, is also called to oatmeal or porridge. So it's very good for the breakfast, so yummy. So today we will make the milk one with the daliya and put some banana. Let's see how we make. So first just warm, and that's it. After this daliya we will put any one pan and just like ready for cook, and we will cook, and little we mix this one with the fire, low temperature. Yes, we will put some warm water here, then its consistency will keep maintained. Don't put the normal water, it will warm. Then we will mix very nicely. Just mix for few round, and after that we will put the milk. After we put the milk, then we also have to mix all together very nicely. After this all we put sugar, depend of how much sugar you want. So according to the quantity you can add the sugars, and after sugar nicely all the mix together. After that you have cut some bananas like this very nicely, or you can make the different shape, depend on you. After that add some bananas very nicely cut, then put some bananas here. Okay, the banana, you have a mix very nicely, can do mix together. Then if you want you can add some dry fruits, and but that is little heavy, so we make very light the daliya with the milk. And someone is a vegan or they don't want to milk, so they can add the soya milk, or they can make the mixture, the namkeen daliya, which one put some vegetables and then porridge. This is very nice for the breakfast, very healthy. Then you have to cook with a high flame just 5 minutes until the boil will come. Then your daliya is ready, the breakfast is ready, then you can serve.